Well, we don't really know how to start this video. We're in lockdown in Darwin. We just got put in lockdown at 1 o'clock today, and we've just been rushing around, I guess. Mad rush like everyone else, trying to get food and supplies. Well, this is us guys. Lockdown, Darwin Caravan Park, hotel, resort, I'm not too sure. Darwin something. Darwin Tourist Park, just out of Darwin, about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, something like that. But yeah, this is us. Sunday, got a roast on, roast lamb, bloody excited for that. And we got a couple of things done today. Just that little, I don't know, where have I done with it? Managed to get this painted up, which we're going to cut the size and slap on there. Just a bit of silicone and I guess rivets. Oh yeah, picked up one of these bad boys, which is $5. Don't know how I managed to go with that one for so long. $5 in Bunnings, you can't go wrong, I guess. Lockdown day 2, I think. I don't know. We're starting pretty good. Pancakes for breakfast, and we managed to yesterday as well get down to the post office, grab all our stuff, so we've got some stuff to do now, and it's super cheap, so we can give the car a service, fix the drone up. So we've got a fair bit on that we can sort of do for the next couple of days, so I'm pretty stoked about that. But just got to spread it all out, I guess. So I don't know what we're going to do today. Nice and easy pancakes for breakfast, and just slow and steady. So COVID day 2, something like that, is
how much it need?
it's a pretty good start. It's just put some chips on, loaded up with some chili and paprika just to get Soch going. She got fish fingers tonight. How's the chili?
Hot.
But managed to fix this up as well, which is just riveted and siliconed on and looking extremely white because caravan's still dirty. It's a good job for Soch tomorrow in lockdown.
Thanks, Jake.
Yeah. But other than that, nothing really. Trying to spread everything out. Tomorrow we've got to service the car and try to fix the drone as well. It's not having it. She's not happy. She's all sorted back together, but I don't know. I think we just need to reset it all and update everything. But yeah, other than that, lockdown's lockdown. I think the whole of Australia's sort of going in there now. So, it's a bit of a bugger. This is us day 3. Day 3. And we're out and about for our hourly exercise. We get an hour a day exercise, and while we're at it we're going to go to Woolies, sort of stock up. Well yeah, nothing new. We Soch bumped into the lady next door, who's a hairdresser.
Yeah,
got yakking away. So we're looking pretty stylish. Other than that, nothing else is really happening. We're well, yeah, I don't know, we're going down to the shop, see if we can get some prawns, surf and turf or something for dinner tonight, so she's keen for. And touch wood, try and service the car today, and then that's about it. Done all our jobs apart from the tyres for the caravan. Spoiling ourselves. Some nice garlic prawns on ciabatta bread, I think it is, and after that just some beautiful steaks from the butcher and a potato bake. Other than that, yeah, nothing's really happened today. Just a cruisy little day, hanging out in lockdown. Well, it's day 3, I think, and just service the old thing. Service kit, 170 odd bucks or something, plus the oil, happy days really. Another 10,000 out of it. But yeah, pretty much everything done. Still got to change a little fog light there, but that gives me something to do tomorrow. Other than that, lockdown's going pretty good. Starting to get a bit bored now, which is a bit of a pain. But just trying to sort of spread our jobs out. We still got another day, so can't really wait to get out of here and check out Darwin. Well, we're hoping it's our last day of lockdown. Touch wood. So we're premature celebrating.
Yes. No alcohol, though.
Yeah, no alcohol. I don't know why. It's a weird one.
We'll go out for dinner tomorrow night and have some drinks. If we're out of lockdown.
Oh yeah. Hopefully we're out of lockdown for that. But yeah, this is us for the night. Been an exciting day. Serves the car, got all our little jobs done, and even managed to go over to Coles.
Just to walk around the aircon.
Yeah, just to get some aircon, because it's bloody 30 odd degrees today. But yeah, that's us. That for dinner tonight, and some wings on the Weber. Happy days. Out of lockdown tomorrow. We're still here. It's day 5 now, I think the last day of lockdown. Touch wood, 1 o'clock we'll be out of here. I think he's got a press release or something at 11ish. But got everything done, I think. Pretty much all our jobs apart from wash the car and caravan. So still hasn't done that yet. But as for our tyres here, I'm just going to jack the whole sort of van up, take the tyres off, and I guess take them down to a tyre shop, see what they can do. I'm hoping I can get some tyres for under 200 bucks each, 31s. See how we go. We're now free.
Yay!
We're free. It's 1 o'clock on a Friday. We're out of lockdown. Touch wood. Haven't heard anything on the radio yet.
Yeah, I read it on my phone.
Oh, we're out. We're done.
And Alice Springs are out
Lucky bastards.
a day or two early, I think. So
Anyway, we're chafing it a bit. We've got some tyres in the back. We're going to go and try and get changed. And I don't know, have a look around. Bit of freedom again. We've got the tyres from Tyre right here in Darwin. 182 bucks each, and they're piled in the back there, which is bloody good. It's quick, cheap, and I guess we'll race back, whack them on there, and I don't know, get all spruced up, head back into town. What do you think? Night on the town?
sounds like a plan.
Our new tyres, which should last a bit longer, hopefully, being an all-terrain instead of the mud terrains. But yeah, pretty happy with that. Well, they 364 bucks. You can't really complain about that.
I don't really cover anything, but there.
Yeah, that'll do. Big thank you, Shane, bloody legend. He runs the Touring Australia Facebook group, and he sent out a couple of stickers. But check their Facebook group out. Bloody good little page. It's got just loads of people that love, I guess, Touring Australia. A couple of different channels are on there as well, posting their content and chatting away. So check it out. But thanks again. Bloody legend, mate. I don't know where we're going to put the other one. Might whack it on the caravan or something. See how we go. But we're getting out of here. We're going to explore Darwin, finally, after about a week.
Yes. It feels more like a month, but yeah, 5 days.
5 days. So yeah, dressed up, going out, have a couple of drinks, and check out Darwin, I guess. Probably have some dinner out there as well. Parked up next to another sand groper, which is good to see. But we're at the Mindle Beach Casino, and apparently Sosha said there's a pretty good little bar here, sort of overlooks the beach, the sunset. But yeah, should be good. We've now got to wear these everywhere in public, so we'll try and film a bit, but we'll have these on. Well, I reckon that's going to do us on this video. We're out and about finally, which is bloody good. But we had a nice little drink and watched the sunset. Beautiful night. But anyway, cheers for watching, guys. And I guess we'll see you on the next one. And we're going to town now to have a nice dinner.